Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to pray the 7 sorrows rosary using the Hello application, a powerful devotion to reflect on Mary's sorrows. First of all, make sure your device is connected to the internet and download the Hello application from the App Store or Play Store. Simply search here Hello and install it. After you have installed, simply open the application and make sure you have signed into your account. After that, this is the home interface of Hello application. Now open the Hello app, go to the prayer tab, you will see the prayer tab or you can simply search from here. Now you need to do is to search for the 7 sorrows rosary. Search here 7 sorrows rosary. After you have searched 7 sorrows rosary, you will guided session available and tap 1 to open it. After that, follow the mysteries. The 7 sorrows rosary has 7 decades. Is focused on a sorrow of Mary, such as the prophecy of Simeon or the crucifixion. Hello will guide you through each mystery with prayers like the Our Father, Hail Marys, and Glory Be. Use audio guidance. You can choose guided audio to follow along or pray silently. Hello also gives short reflection for each sorrow, helping you meditate deeply on Mary's experiences. Now complete the rosary. Continue through all the 7 decades, then finish the Hail Holy Queen or closing prayer provided in the app. And that's it. Using Hello makes praying the 7 sorrows rosary easy and meaningful. Like, subscribe and hit the bell for more prayer guide and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.